So this is task 2, BMI calculator, where a person BMI is calculated. Here I have taken the height, the weight, then the format which we can choose, then we can calculate, then everything, categories, then height and weight, it reflects. Then this is the calculation part, then this is the size of and output screen, then this is the color code, and all this is basic. Okay, and this is how we can run it. So this is my output. Here we can change a scale in kgs, in lps. So for example, lbs is basically a pound system, so 220 lbs, and we can say here we can choose feet. So a 6 feet person and 220 lbs we can calculate here. It reflecting in different colors that BMI is 29.84, overweight, the person weight should be in 83 to 28. So we can see here on kgs what is the weight. Okay, here it is overweight, but we can change the scale to 100 to see still the person is overweight. Yes, still the person is overweight. He needs to lose at least 17 kgs to be in the perfect. That means we can say here we can change the scale to 83, then it is normal weight. Okay, here the scale I have changed and here output is different. So this is the BMI calculator.